Today we will talk about Hawksag. Now suppose there are three sister ships loading cargo. In one sister ship there is no Hawksag, so you have forward draft 10, midship both the sides 10 and aft also 10. And then using this draft 10 meters, you do a draft survey and you get the displacement. From that you minus all the deductibles and you get cargo on board. Let's say 1000 tons. Now the other sister vessel, let's say it is sagging by 4 centimeters. Forward draft 9.96, midship 10 and aft 9.96. Now in this vessel, M1 would be average of forward and aft draft, which will be 9.96. M2 would be the average of port and starboard midship, which is 10. And M3 would be average of M1 and M2, which would be 9.96 plus 10 divided by 2, and this is 9.98. And then M4 would be the average of M2 and M3, with average of 10 and 9.98. So that comes out to be 9.99. So if we calculate displacement of this vessel using this graph 9.99, this is 1 centimeter less than 10. So 1 centimeter less, and if you have TPC of let's say 100 tons, so 1 centimeter less means your cargo on board would be 1000 minus 100, that's TPC. So 900 tons of cargo on board this vessel. Now the last vessel, so whenever you are sagging, you load less cargo. This is assuming there is a draft restriction of 10 meters. Now the third vessel, let's say it is hogging by 4 centimeters. Hog 4 centimeters. So forward draft 10, aft draft also 10, midship 9.96. So in this vessel, M1 would be average of forward and aft, which would be 10. M2 would be average of port and starboard midship, 9.96. And M3 would be average of M1 and M2, which is 10 plus 9.96 divided by 2, this is 9.98. And M4 would be the average of M2 and M3, which is 9.96 plus 9.98 divided by 2, which is 9.97. So in case of hog, you are loading 3 centimeters less. So cargo on board would be 3 centimeters less compared to this vessel. So it would be 1000 minus 300, assuming TPC is 100. So only 700 tons of cargo on board this vessel. So if you have a choice between hog sag, it's better to go for sag because you will get more cargo compared to hog. And if no hog sag, you will get the maximum cargo. हो गया?
No, no.
हो गया?